2014 BMW Z4. We did it earlier in, about what, 2 weeks ago, I think. We put some vibrant bottles, and now, yeah, another satisfied customer. And now he brought it back. It was too loud for him, too much drone. So what we did, factory converters there, 2 1/4 pipe there, 2 cats there, secondaries, 2 1/4 pipe into an X pipe there, then 2 1/4 continues, and he brought his own vibrant quiet flows. Part number 1141, right there, ultra quiet resonators, there and there. He just wants tone without a lot of resonance, so we did that for him. And then we also installed him 2 new carbon fiber tips, there and there. Part number TPCT/10, made in Slovenia. Carbon fiber, there and there, out the back. This is the vibrance we installed on it earlier. There's the 2 in the middle, and then the tips. But I guess the car runs so hot that it melted the carbon fiber, as you guys can see. So remember that when you're wanting these. And we warned him about the new ones, but he said, I don't care. I said, okay, no problem. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh man, it's so much better. Yeah, that's where it's at. Because we did them on the M3 too.
Okay.
Same
when
thing.
You said that, I knew.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Again? Oh, it's so much nicer. Yeah, that's a lot better. A lot quieter. Here's sound decibels. Give it gas. Again. Right at 87, so about 90. Go ahead and back it out. Again. Much better. A lot cleaner. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW Z4.